Hey guys, welcome back to our Texas Homestead. Today we have another food product recall. Chopped salad kit from Market Street, Bacon Ranch Crunch. Taylor Fresh Foods, voluntary recall. Marketside Bacon Ranch Kit salad kit made with ingredient packets containing cheese as part of its expanded recall from Rizzo Lopez Foods Incorporated. I've done several of these for Rizzo Lopez. This product has listeria. Yep, potential listeria contamination. Um, don't eat it. Take it off. Give the company a call. Links in the description. I'm tired of Rizzo Lopez. Sorry. They've had so many products that they sell to that have had tons of recalls now because of their product. I understand accidents happen. Dang, come on, people. Hope this video helps y'all. Like, subscribe, and share. Send it to your friends and family. You never know who's going to have these products in their home. The more you help, the more information they get. See y'all back next time.